Gina, it's been 3 weeks. When are you gonna get rid of those silly cornrows?
Reba, I like how this looks. I like what it says about me. And plus, I can't. I've tried and tried. I think they're stuck. I think I'm gonna have to shave my head.
All right. Go out to the garage and get my weed whacker.
At this point, I had taken off the tracks but couldn't get the cap off. I've been going at this for just over 3 hours. I've purchased the glue remover and the shampoo, and this is where we are at. An absolute mess. So, we'll see. I feel incredibly defeated. 10 hours of working on my head, and this is as far as we've gotten. I'm gonna have to shave it. At this point, I'd been combing out clumps of glue in my hair for about 22 hours. My scalp was so tender. Everything was so painful at that point. And you're going to see in a moment when she gets to the front how red my scalp is as she's just combing out the rest of the clumps of glue and letting the shampoo, the detoxifying shampoo, just finish doing the rest of the work. You can see right there how red my scalp is. I was over it. I was getting ready to shave it, but she was able to help me. Yeah, because you can't get it out without, like, it's got to slide off the hair. Mm-hmm. Considering everything that she's been through with this, maybe an inch and a half.
She's been through.
Yeah,
she's been through some things.
Okay, see.
Mm-hmm.